Obviously, California King Bed by Rihanna has sung so many songs to sing, and did not, this one I actually do know and the beat to and everything. Okay, so I think I'm ready for this. Yeah, I checked this lyrics, so I guess I don't know the song. But I know the beat, and that's all that matters. Alright? Okay. Chest to chest, nose to nose, palm to palm, we're always just that close. Wrist to wrist, toe to toe, looks that felt just like the inside of a rose. So how come when you reach out your fingers, it feels like more than distance between us? In this California kingdom, we're 10,000 miles apart. I'm in California, wishing on these stars for your heart, for me, and my California king. Eye to eye, cheek to cheek, side by side. You were sleeping next to me, arm to arm, dusk to dawn. With the curtains drawn and a little last night on these sheets. So how come when I reach out my fingers, it feels like more than distance between us? In this California kingdom, we're 10,000 miles apart. I'm in California, wishing on these stars for your heart, for me, and my California king. Just when I felt like giving up on us, you turned around and gave me one last touch that made everything feel better. And even then my eyes got wetter, so confused when I asked you if you love me. But I don't wanna seem so weak. Maybe I'm in California wishing. Oh, 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 oh. In this California kingdom, we're 10,000 miles apart. I bet California's wishing on the stars for your heart and for me and my California king.